Babel and Babylon. They sound almost identical, right? One's the birthplace of language confusion. The other, the empire of idols, gold and destruction. But what if they're actually the same place? Let's rewind. Genesis 11. The people of the world speak one language. They come together, build a massive tower in the land of Shinar, trying to reach heaven. But God steps in, confuses their speech, scatters them, and the tower abandoned. Babel, they called it, because that's where the language got babbled. Therefore, the world splits. Cultures, tribes, nations. Fast forward a few hundred years, and suddenly Babylon appears. Same region, massive influence, an empire with ambitions just as bold. Coincidence or continuity? Here's where it gets spicy. The word Babel in Hebrew means confusion, but in Akkadian, the language of ancient Mesopotamia, Babilu means, get this, gate of the gods. Yeah, gate of the gods. Not exactly subtle. And where was Babylon? In the same region the Bible calls Shinar, modern-day Iraq, home to temples, ziggurats, and a tower called Etemenanke, an actual historical structure some scholars think was the Tower of Babel. So, same location, same architectural obsession, same desire to rise beyond limits. Different names, but maybe not so different at all. Here's where it starts feeling personal. I always thought Babel was just an ancient fable. Don't make God mad kind of story. But Babylon, that name pops up everywhere. In Daniel, in Revelation, even in modern culture. Babylon becomes this symbol of everything corrupt. Human pride, spiritual decay. That one empire that always rises just before the world falls apart. So now I'm thinking, if Babel is the birthplace of pride, Babylon is the grown-up version. The final form, maybe the tower didn't fall, maybe it evolved. So here's the takeaway. Babel and Babylon? They're not just locations, they're a warning system. Babel shows us what happens when humans try to rise without boundaries. Babylon shows us what happens when we succeed. Therefore, whether or not they were physically the same place, they're definitely spiritually linked. One starts the fire, the other spreads it. And maybe, just maybe, that same spirit, still alive today. Think about it. Global tech, one digital language, shared systems, AI speaking every dialect. Are we building Babel again? Only this time with code instead of bricks. We like to think we're smarter now, more advanced, more enlightened. But we still love building towers. Only now they're not made of stone. They're made of status, of algorithms, of platforms that echo our own voice back to us. And the real twist? We think we're more connected than ever. But we might just be one language away from forgetting how to be different. So are Babel and Babylon the same place? Maybe not on paper, but spiritually? They might as well share a zip code. One built the tower, the other never stopped. And the question now is, are we still building it? What do you think? Are we reliving ancient mistakes in modern ways? Drop your thoughts below. Let's talk about it.